2000 Dodge Ram. We're doing a water pump. Customer states, water pump leaks, he wants it changed. Now, check this out. You guys missed all the teardown, but here, let me show you this. Give me a second, I'll drop the damn thing. Oh, damn it. Alright, look at this. Look at this, look at this. This thing is rusty, and look where it's coming out of. All this had a bunch of rust coming out, then all this coolant came out. Don't mind the phone. I'm recording with a different phone. Kind of used to it, but not used to it yet. The quality kind of sucks at the moment. But we're about to pull this water pump and look at it some more. I think why this thing has been leaking, see the shape of that. So they had a hose clamped to there, which is that's a no-no. That's not the right way of doing that. Not at all. And then unfortunately, it looks like I'm gonna have to do the same damn thing to get him done, and all that rust in there just. That is not good. Not good at all. So unfortunately, I'm gonna get my flashlight. This guy, I'm gonna have to transfer it to the new water pump, which isn't cool because it's supposed to be a threaded pipe that goes there. Right here. Threaded pipe that goes there. So I'm gonna have to take that one out against what I want to do. Take that out, put it over there. Not what I wanted to do. Not at all. No. Shit. Now the smell inside there is horrendous. It's like oil and gasoline. So I think we may have an issue on hand on this thing. But we're about to fill it up and fire it up. We're going to put the fan back together and call the customer and have them pick it up. As you can see, the new water pump is on there and it's installed. Oh, where's that old one? I don't know why I did the old one. What's still in the car, but anyways, the new one's on. And we're about to put the fan all back together. That's not a good spot to put that. As you see, we got it fired up. It had a little leak right there on that hose. Right there. So now we're kind of keeping an eye on it. But we'll see in a bit. As you can tell, the 2001 or no 2000 Dodge is gone.